Jambo na Karibu! Hello and welcome to another Zanzibar adventure. Together with my new friends, we embarked on a thrilling bike ride. Hello! Soaking in the breathtaking scenery and the warm sunshine. Our destination, a magical place known as Pangola Kuumbi, which translates to the cave of creation in Swahili.
Our guide! Yay! Zanzibar! Hey, so welcome in Kuumbi Cave or Kuumbi area.
My friend and I couldn't resist the urge to break into song, filling the cavern with our joyful voices. Da-da, ba-ba-da-ba-ba, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Human and animal remains were discovered in this cavern, but don't worry, no spoiler alert. Come and explore the museum and Kuumbi Cave on your own. Now it's time to climb back onto our bikes and continue our adventure. As we cruise along the scenic roads, the wind in our hair and the sun on our backs, we hear some people talking loudly up ahead. I must confess, I'm in the dark about their conversation, but let's hope it's all sunshine and rainbows. Until next time, nitakuona hivi karibuni.